Yeah, shout out Linux. Power. All right, okay. So I'm going to be talking about JSONstate, UXNFT. One of the reasons I'm doing individual cheer bots, I'm not going to get into that probably during MegaZoo, but just the robots, single board computer, FOSS robots. So this is, core point here is von Neumann architecture. I don't know if the timer is going on right now, but yeah, okay, great. Von Neumann architecture on the EVM. So what is von Neumann architecture? There's a sharp separation between the persistent data memory and the persistent program memory. So I'm thinking of this JSON-state thing as the data memory, and then these INFTs or UXNFTs as the program memory. So I'm not going to get into the UXNFTs this demo. That'll be the penultimate demo next time. And this time we're focusing on the JSON-state for the persistent data memory. And that's, those pictures on the side are some of mathematics. So anyway, since last demo day, we discovered that Remix, Etherscan, and ABI Ninja do not properly parse JSON. Shiv, luckily he runs ABI Ninja, he's part of MegaZoo, and he's already fixed the problem in staging area, so he's going to show a video of that real quick. I finished the UXNFT, also visit me for a test drive. We also included the kernel I have, and yeah, the next demo day I'll share that on OpenSea. Right now it's just localhost. So we have EIP. The problem is we have EIP standards for tokens, but tokens, that's great for the interdata on the intranet, that's the EVM, but for the rest of the internet, they don't care about tokens, don't really know what they are, and so the standard that they do use is JSON. So we're making an EIP for JSON. It's relatively straightforward. You can think of the JSON that will be a high value of it. It's the kind of a high priority JSON, so the config files, that kind of thing. But with Mega ETH and other L2 pricing, it's feasible. So it still costs $1 or so to have JSON on, but for some JSON that's important to have stored forever and and super easy access. So the basic details is one JSON object, one smart contract address, calling the JSON public function returns the JSON object string, and then advanced queries is a version management system for the values and key value pairs, so recognizing the immutability of the chain. So my ask is just that we continue to work on the EAP. It's been really great. A bunch of you already helped me. I really appreciate your support so far. So now I'm going to show you a really quick demo. Here's what the local host is. So here's the C-tree kernel there running. So this is looking up the string, so it's just a basic request. It says when it looked it up and what the string is. And then we've got another bit where we can write some information. So if I write, okay, if I write this, then and I hit write, that'll end up working. So yeah, this is all localhost. And then here's a prior example for invoicing. So that's what I really use it for, because you can have promises with the version management. And then while you ask me questions, I'll be sharing what this is just video. ABI Ninja.